Archer wants to be back in the team.
Yeah, I didn't realize that was the motivation until I think someone else said it earlier. I thought I never know. Boy, the break has improved for this kid, huh? I mean, again, the cue ball could have been better.
Easier. Still tough though. Well, handled it with ease.
He's kind of maturing without maybe even himself knowing it. Not happening, but we want to see him come true a little quicker, right? And I think he does too. And I just feel a little bit more belief. Confident strike there.
Yeah, he's going to steal the rack on merit. But can one of these young guns?
Not saying one thing or another about that. It's just how it is. And I kind of feel like there hasn't been enough talk about Hongers.
Little tester on the blue, this one. Not just here, Jeremy, though. I mean, even in the cup, you know, can you imagine being a young lad?
You know, it's just, again, America's not short the talent. I think it's just a matter of the...
You know how good Regalario plays. So he marches on through to round 2.
Situation on rack on table number 3. Yannick Hongers miscued and jumped foul situation there for Payne McBride, and one you don't see very often.
Well, you said you liked Yannick's game. It's always a funny situation. We'll get over there in a minute, actually. Table 3 after this 9 ball. AJ ties it up. Yes, he is, Jeremy.
Smashing them. Which, you know, mini version of the wrap on the back of the cue, like Earl had. AJ has right there. Grip, kind of like a tennis grip on the wrap. Which for Filipino players, like I said, I only got to watch this, if I remember correctly. Greatest player ever to come from Minnesota, which I don't know if you ever knew. And I think AJ will realize quickly this is a very capable.
The break is there. We've made the 1. Say we've started at 1 o'clock. It's now 6 o'clock pretty much, and I think it's been a really good day 1, a really good vibe.
Florida couldn't make the Orlando event, but has made his way here to Yuma.
With Ralph Souquet, so he's having a really good day.
Well, it seemed like the guy knew some players and had been around pool for a long time. Great hit there, Filipino-esque.
Yeah, the kick and the stick.
This looks a little long. Yeah.
For the next 90 minutes, and you could make a real big assessment of where both players are at.
Telling, especially, you know, the break shot rule, the 4-inch pockets.
Bit of a miss hit that. He was trying to come down the watch.
But that's almost what I meant. Like before, when I watch AJ be able to play more pool.
Right, but if you think of it logically, you can still get beat in the last one.
Just having that a little bit to where they're not trying to play that type of match, but they can regroup from it.
Your old Johnny Archie, he's going to get his plaudits and he's through to round 2.
Yeah, and you know, sports out there, it's more about just getting more events, right, for these guys, to where if they do get beat, play a rough. I had it clean. It's going to be short with the cue ball, but clean to the pocket. Yeah, and I tell you, I looked at him though, and I don't know if it's really the climate. Maybe she loves it.
Clearly, because I'm in comms.
Oh yeah, she loves you. Always pick. Doesn't play much anymore, but of course your wife, she was a champion.
Yeah, one of the
2 cushions out here, run between the 8 and 9.
Finding centre of the table, same again here. Anyway, in the centre, we'll get the job done.
And it's getting near that time of the year where he starts to have some result. That's coming up as well. 9 ball. Oh, awful kiss on the cue ball. So got some work. Is he gonna clip this ball? No. This ball to get across on. Oof, get that awfully thick.
Okay, we're just seeing a few faults creeping now.
One heck of a tool outside English. Get comfortable with it from a lot of different positions. Ball, but you can do a lot with the cue ball from precarious positions from AJ.
AJ Manas, just as if he's practicing on his own. Open bridge break from AJ, looks good. He's going to be in trouble though.
Of course, that's another way why they learn so
Road, when
quick.
he was involved in a tight match. What a jump shot that is, by the way. Yeah, Rhoda did beat. Yeah, nearly come off his hand.
Yeah, he went really through the ball, which I personally think it's the best technique going through the ball. About the full stroke that I like a lot is under pressure. It seems to hold up better than someone that's trying to be a little more.
Yeah, you were talking about the stroke of a deliberate style on certain shots, maybe just, you know, honing it in a little bit.
Confident stroke, much better, and great recovery.
Compact.
Yeah, pretty natural what he's doing.
Okay, back to the action. Hand the tank. Break.
I'll tell you.
Down to Moritz Neuhausen, so he's getting a real taste of what the tour's got to offer.
Yeah, you're talking about the kid from Korea.
Yeah.
Yeah, cheated the pocket there to avoid the 8. Minimum cue ball movement. He's gotten on the wrong side a little. Confident shot, maybe a little forward.
Phoenix to here with me and Scott. That ball goes in.
Like I could. All right, if I start to feel a little more nervous, I try to talk myself into calming down a little bit. And just, oh, he's not attacking. Thought for sure the young kid would go there.
This is often you hit it a bit too far to the left or the right. Well, he's absolutely nailed it. That is unreal. AJ is in. Doesn't matter for AJ. No extra lives though, AJ.
Yeah, we've talked about a couple upsets already today, but just looking ahead at some of the matches we have in store for round, Ivanovic, Woodward, Lin Tai Lee against Atencio. Roland Garcia against Bernie Regulario. Just one match after another. This tough player, especially once he starts to play a lot more event. I think. Yeah, this was never any good.
200 to 1.
I'll tell you, I know you got to be in. He was crazy, 150 to 1 or something like that.
Same here, 150 to 1.
Yeah, I think. All right, big shot on the 2 ball after I thought was a little bit of a lazy safety for me.
Good look at the front side of his cue action. He's lost the cue ball here.
Not a huge favorite here. Did get it down though. Got the draw.
Looks like he does something with his shoulder, to the shoulder, top of his arm.
Yeah, it goes out because, well, his right shoulder when it causes a major problem, but a gritty little out after getting out of line here.
Along at the right speed as well, and obviously the trading racks. But but the pace is key here. Does he risk going middle of the table? He is doing. This is looking a little light of pace. He needs it to.
Yeah, that was well done right there. Brawl and kill it. Could go with a high ball to kill short side as well.
Yates would know the answer to that. He'd have it in his note. Had JJ.
Okay. That looks perfect. Really calm down.
Missable this. That was better. Thumped it in. Watch out, cue ball. That's going to be close.
You're going to see again another level, in my opinion. Boy, he could have got out of for it pretty easy. Yeah, for sure, but you can tell he's pretty athletic as well. Smashing the break ponger. How good did he get on the purple? Is there going to be any kind of problem? Oh, I think he's got to play the ball on the side.
Yeah, just pinched it. Hit it now. Changed his bridge at the minute, last second. 6 apiece. Hugh's got quite near the centre as well, Jeremy, just looking at it.
Yeah, you get to... You can...
Just too tough. Striking down on the cue ball. Just Short and Filler are both flying.
Man, jump cue has been on point these last couple. Avoid it. He didn't get into the ball enough. He wanted to fall below this where he's going to try and punch the ball up as close as he can and make a decision from there. And I don't know if it's attacking or not.
I thought he'd roll through, actually. Yeah, just like that.
Break, was it? And then one with top English. So it wasn't the bottom English that caused the problems.
Lost big matches, but Gladdy will catch it. He's out there having his warm-up over on table 10. He's going to be facing Scott Bernard. He's obviously got to go up table somewhere. He didn't have the wrap on him fly.
Execute. You can see way on the left side of the cue ball and needs it. Yeah, that's what I always saw. It was going to escape. Yeah, this is odds are it's going to be 7-7. Can't really get... All right, this looks like... Yeah, and I'll tell you, in Florida was the first time I seen DeJuan, and almost didn't know sometimes what he wanted to really do and seemed a little out of sorts. He needs to regroup moving forward. And there you have it. Hank the Tank tied it. Now than before, and as there should be. There's more events. He can double kiss this in. There's so many ways to make the 7. Just like that. I mean, he did it. Well, and just like talked about that with Dean Shields, I think Dean, and there's some that you know you're not going to get back just because that's the scenario and that's just how the situation is. Not today, not tomorrow. That looked a little overhit, you know, like that. Those types of tournaments get a lot of players because they're races to 3, races to 2, whatnot. Boy, you take that. Well, I thought the 2 was going to go.
Last match of the evening is similar. However, it's a couple of the old guard.
Him again. Told him congrats earlier this morning. Oh, that one kicked a little bit, it looked like. Still, there's that fine line of trying not to stress too much. And you do get a low
off
out.
Both short rails. Yeah, looks good. Shish Yap, the new world #1 against Max Eberle. course, that blown quad quank. AJ Manas fires another 9-ball in.
And bridge
Just
again
goes.
gets a lot of power with the open hand bridge. 2-ball's going to drop as well. The red 3's going to get covered. Yeah, that's way thick. Needs to go quite a bit as well. All right, great shot. Perfect positioner. Pocket up a little bit. Yeah, that was dead center.
Slammed it in. He slams another in. What a match this is. I presume I've just jinxed that by saying that, but we'll see. Playing it off the top and hopefully it comes back without a double hit. Well, he's played it soft. Okay. Well, this is not going to work.
Don't let the 2 get away. 3-9 combo, not bad.
With a long shot.
He's going to catch the 3.
Pongers will be feeling it. There's no doubt about it. He's asked a question. That was a tad shit.
More stunned than anything, really.
On his cue like Earl the Pool. Ooh, took a bit of a wobble. It's important you get to the hill first, isn't it,
Big
JJ?
shot's going to end up becoming a nice weapon here for this young man. He wants to stay. Stays that first match now 9-8. Bang McBride.
Jay. Can he win it with a golden? No. Oh, he's not going to scratch. Wow, this mat's pocket size, bowl colours, cloth and all this, but listen, this is purely down. He's right behind the brown ball, he's hooked, he's in a terrible spot over there.
Just fine. He was trying to come for the side. And
Tongas has got ball in hand.
this is that outside English I was telling you about that he's so good with.
Positives to take from this. Without a doubt there is. You got the world at your feet. And you'll be back. AJ, look at that, the fist pump. He wants it. 10